Hello YouTubers, welcome to Blucollection. Today I'm going to show you 3 packages of Dexter Hoover from Disney Pixar Cars. Here we have number 71 from Racerama, 71 Lenticular eyes, and also 139 from Final Lap Collection. All these 3 cars are diecasts 155 scale with the exact same design but different facial expression. Yellow flag indicates to slow down due to a hazard on the track. Green flag indicates the start of a race. And the checkered flag, we all know what it means. That's displayed at the end of a race to indicate the winner. Alright guys, thanks for watching this video, and click on any of these links if you want to see other videos from Cars or Cars 2. Thanks again and see you next time.